Introduction to econometrics. So what is all about econometrics? We have studied that it is about the amalgam of economic theory, mathematical economics and economic statistics. So it is basically, it's not starts with economic theory, but it's an amalgamation of economic theory. Like the statements, I have tried to make it assumptions with this 8 assumptions, like statement of theory, specification of mathematical model, specification of econometric model, obtaining data, estimation of the econometric model, hypothesis testing, forecasting, and the use of the model to control policy purpose. So if we see, the econometrics is not about just the economic theory, but we need to see many things, in the sense mathematical economics, economic statistics, everything we need to see. So like y equal to mx plus c, और a statement that with a rise in price, अगर प्राइस बढ़ता है तो क्वांटिटी घटता है. तो ये कैसे समझेंगे हम लोग? तो उसको ही समझने के लिए what we do is that the application of economic theory, right? And there is a mathematical economics also, interpretation of that, because with the estimation, the correct estimation, that yes, if you are considering the thing, then it will be involving that part. So by how much, like if we want to get the exact data, so for that what we use is introduction to econometrics, and economic statistics also is there, because there are certain tests to prove the thing that yes, we have told that. So with this we can start with the econometrics. Now it goes with 6 statements. What are those 6 statements? Like statement of theory or hypothesis. Like a statement, I told that with an increase in price a quantity reduces, so that is a statement. Then the specification of mathematical model of consumption, the specification that okay, with the increase in that there is a mathematical intercept y equal to, so this is a mathematical model. Now econometric model, so we have to give it a form like y equal to alpha plus beta plus xi. So that is the specification of the econometric model. Then we have to get a data for that is not date but data, like on the basis of that, like if I told you that the price of, for this summer the price of ice creams has increased, so by how much it has increased, or the quantity have increased, so kaise hua? Then the estimation of the econometric model, because we have to estimate, and the statistics come here, like the hypothesis testing, and eventually we do the forecasting and use a model for control or policy purpose to see if there is an increase. So this is all about the introduction to econometrics.